The number of your judge. You picked judge number 3.
Ito. Linaw ano, yung pronoun.
Okay. Hello, ladies. Good evening po. So for your question, candidate number 2. If you could solve one social issue in the world, what would it be and why?
Wow, thank you for that timely and very relevant question to be discussed. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, in my 23 years of existence, I see that there's a lot of issues and problems that the world is facing right now. One most important issue is what we call mental health. People or our generation tend to experience what we call mental health. It is the external issue that affecting the internal issue. I therefore believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we should resolve first the internal issue so that we could resolve the external issue. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, there are stress because there's judgment. There's depression because there's discrimination, and there's anxiety because there's what we call bullying. I therefore believe, ladies and gentlemen, I am here standing in front of you tonight to use this platform for me to be able to speak for my causes and to speak for my advocacy. And that is to stop discrimination and spread the love for one nation. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I therefore believe that if we could stop discrimination and spread the love for one nation, then definitely there's no more what we call mental health issue. We could only live in a world where peace is only matter, where love is only matter, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, this is a celebration of what we call the LGBT community. A celebration of happiness, a celebration of peace, a celebration of what we call unity. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to make change. And for us to be able to make change our mindset so that we could change our action towards the LGBT community. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for us to make change, and for us to be able to make change, let us all start in our own community. And that will be all in I. Love you all.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 2.